Guys, so in this video, we're going to talk about why I bought Coinbase stock, okay? So as we can see here, taking a look at Coinbase, it's trading at around $32, okay? It's been hit pretty hard. But we have some nice things to talk about in this video. So if you guys enjoy this content, please smash the subscribe button and give me a like, okay? So let's get right into it. First off, I want to talk about Bitcoin, okay? There's been a couple of negative catalysts that we've seen lately. There's been a lot of stuff in the news, so I want to cover that really quickly. Okay, guys, so first let's talk about the fine. Coinbase was fined $100 million by New York regulators. It says Coinbase touts itself as the most trusted crypto exchange, but nowadays that's a little like being the most relatable Kardashian. So basically, Coinbase had to pay about $100 million to New York regulators over some questionable practices, okay? So obviously we've seen a lot of bad things happen in crypto lately. A lot of companies have been hit. FTX, obviously before that Voyager, Celsius. There's something floating around with Silvergate. So it just looks like there's just capitulation. There's a lot of companies being slapped around right now, but I'm still bullish on crypto in the long run. So the good news is Coinbase is pretty well capitalized. So as you can see here, it says Coinbase had more than 100,000 alerts of suspicious customer transactions late 2021. So the exchange agreed to pay $50 million fine after regulators found the company was letting customers open accounts without sufficient background checks, and then they have to spend $50 million to build up its compliance program. Okay, guys, and that's just basically a way to keep out certain undesirable people from opening a crypto account. So recently, things have not been good. I'm not surprised this came out. But we did have some good news recently, okay? Kathy Wood has bought more Coinbase stock. She sold Silvergate. So Silvergate got hit pretty hard by the whole FTX situation. They're a crypto lending bank. They're involved with a lot of companies like MicroStrategy, of course, FTX. I personally don't invest in Silvergate. I'd rather have Bitcoin than get involved. But like I said, good news is that Kathy Wood is buying Coinbase. When Kathy Wood makes some moves, that's usually a good support line for a lot of these crypto stocks. So now we take a look at Coinbase shares. As I mentioned, they've been absolutely crushed. So let's take a look at the RSI. Okay, take a look here at the RSI. We can see that Coinbase stock is absolutely getting crushed, guys. RSI is trading around 38 to 36. Looks like a strong buy to me, and I'm going to explain to you guys exactly why. So if we take a look at Coinbase's market cap, see that it's a $7 billion market cap, okay, guys? This company was trading at around over 10 times as much during the whole crypto boom. Obviously, we know things were overvalued. But I'm going to show you guys some promising things. So first off, let's take a look. The third stage of the current halving cycle. It's past block number 770,000. So this is very bullish. This, I believe, is the bottoming. And I'm going to be loading up the boat. And the reason is I really believe Coinbase is probably the most important company in North America when it comes to cryptocurrency. Simply because it's like the first exposure that a lot of people have. And with the FTX whole debacle, I feel like more people are going to trust Coinbase even more. So that's just bullish for Coinbase. Now, there could be some risk, okay? Maybe Bitcoin continues to go lower. Maybe the Fed doesn't lower interest rates. Many bad things could happen, but I just feel like right here the risk-reward ratio is pretty strong. So we all know that, crypto is cyclical. It moves in cycles. The next halving cycle is in next year, guys, around April or May of 2024. So literally just about 15 to 16 months away. So really, this is going to be a great time, I think, to load up on Coinbase stock. I easily see Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies really pumping, especially in 2024. Bitcoin could 15x. So, I'm looking at a potential stock price of Coinbase to reach its previous IPO price, which would be around $350 to $400. Excuse me. And that would really provide a lot of upside, basically like 10x upside from here. So if you guys aren't exposed too much to cryptocurrencies themselves, I really look into Coinbase stock. I think all of the metrics are here. People are scared. It's selling off. It looks oversold to me in terms of the RSI, and generally I think Bitcoin isn't going to go much lower than this point. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, please smash the subscribe button to get more videos from me. That's all I got. Until next time, guys. Take care.